Okay, ladies and germs, Connor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video, and today we're doing 5 tech furfies. Well, maybe they're not furfies, but that's what we're calling it. This is a new segment where we look at 5 weird, freaky, amazing tech stories for the week to date. Every Sunday, let's see how we go. So, first story we're going to talk about is the poison pill from Twitter. So Elon Musk trying to buy Twitter like the evil Mr. Burns that he is, so he can take over it basically and do what he wants with it. And the poison pill was affected, which is where they released shares so that hostile takeovers can't result in Mr. Burns being the evil empire owner. Great stuff. Good to see. I'm happy about that. And more as time goes on, I want to see Elon not so much just trying to steal the limelight. He's tried to do it with Ukraine. He tried to do it with the poor kids in Thailand trapped in the cave. Elon, ping ding mate, stick to the spaceships. That's where you belong. Thanks. Now my second story is a little bit weird, a little bit gross, and I'm not too fond of it either. And this is where Clearview AI, an American-based company, is being used in the Ukraine to use facial recognition to work out who these dead Russian soldiers are, and then Ukraine is sending that information to the soldiers' families. I don't know if it's for good reasons or bad. I don't know. I don't want to get into that part of it. But that's pretty creepy. Imagine going around scanning these guys' faces so you can work out who they are. I wonder if that means you could hack into their phone. Did I just say that? Next one is a bit more techie, and that is about the Pixel Watch. Looks like Evan Blass has released a bit of a teaser about the Pixel Watch, teasing that it's coming soon. Victoria Song from The Verge has said that all these pieces are falling into place. She's taken this little snippet from Evan Blass, and it looks like the Pixel Watch will be coming out this year, 2022. Will you be getting one? I will be getting one because I'm using the Pixel phone, so I want to get the Pixel Watch and the Pixel Buds and just have a Pixel world. That's the world I'm in right now. What about you? And another interesting story that the University of Wisconsin has said that when you mute your mic in a Zoom call or video call, you're not actually muting your mic, and that information is still accessible. Wow, this reeks of incognito mode version 2.0, where the only person who thinks that their data is safe is the person using incognito mode. Everyone else knows it's not safe. What have you been watching? Let me find out. Yeah, so apparently muting does the same thing, and that information is still accessible. So when you think you're mute, you're not actually mute, so don't mute, or maybe mute. For the moment, you'll be safe, but eventually someone might listen to what you said, and then you're in trouble, as usual. Corporate. And then my last little furphy for the week is not really a new one, but I just can't get over how awesome this is, and I wish that more tech companies would do this. So Oppo, Super VOOC charging, 240 watt. They're calling it flash chargers. I'm looking at my notes here, and a 4,500 milliamp hour battery charged in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. So that means most of you blokes could charge 3 phones while you're taking a dump at work, because we all know you take half an hour to snap one off. But that's amazing. Super VOOC version 230 fucking watt. But that's amazing. 240 watt Super VOOC from Oppo. I wish more companies would get on board with this. You know, you've got the big bad companies like Samsung and Apple who aren't even putting chargers in the box, and then you've got Oppo putting in 240 watt Super VOOC chargers in the box with a cable and a case, and everything else that they can think of goes in the box as well. And I love that. I think that's amazing. What a way to end the week on a 9-minute Super VOOC battery charge. Thanks for watching, and let's watch again next week for 5 tech furfies. Ciao!